Hi, I'm Angela Brown, and it is springtime now, you guys. And a lot of times during the winter months, we have been in our wigs, we've been remote at home, or we just enjoyed the holidays. And with that being said, that's now we want to come out. We want to release the braids a little bit before summer gets here. So if you want to get your hair healthy before summertime, before you decide to go back into the sew-ins or the protective styles, or some of us who just do nothing and you just kind of want to grow your hair, but you just haven't quite developed a style for yourself, I got you covered too. So let's do some detoxification, hydration, and just add oodles of moisture. So, on that day, which may be the weekend for you, and you want to shampoo your hair and get some type of spring rejuvenation going on to it. So, I recommend so highly this apple cider strengthening rinse that's good for detoxifying your hair and getting you ready for springtime. I'm excited about it because sometimes I get that dry scalp. In the winter, you get a lot of the dryness. So when spring comes, you need your moisture back. You're ready to release your braids. You're ready to feel your scalp. And you're ready to stop all that pesky shedding. So this is a great product. The apple cider strengthening rinse is great. And it will actually detoxify your hair. All you need to do is shampoo first. You can shampoo your hair. If you want to shampoo it twice, you can shampoo it twice. But the satin moisture would be great for you to shampoo for a deep root cleaning. And then our smoothie moisture is great when it's just going to give you that moisture. And none other, when you put on this apple cider, you can actually put it on for 10 minutes and then add in the silk milk conditioner and allow both of them to marry each other for about a total of 20 minutes. You'll love the results. And if you have extra dryness going on, our top seller, the Damage Reverse Elixir Oil, is fabulous. You want to use this because springtime, we need to clean out our closets, but we also need to clean our scalps and give our scalps that detox, because sometimes we have an itchy scalp left over from the winter, and sometimes the scalp is inflamed, and you can enjoy a beautiful new spring style without making sure that your hair is detoxed. Go to our website at deservehealthyhair.com for more information, but we're going to give you a few tips of a lifetime so you can get yourself ready for spring.